Hey, brain owners. My name is Coach Jen, and I am the CEO, Renegade Badass, and Brain Coach at Sphere Education. Many of you wonder, why on earth do I do what I do? And I got to tell you, it's because I love the brain. The brain processes 11 million bits of information per second. We are only conscious of 50 bits of information per second. That's a huge gap. So when I was young, I wanted to understand why I do what I do. Why do I think what I think, and why do I feel what I feel? So I started to research. And what I've discovered is that your brain actually can be the biggest obstacle in having for being, doing, and having everything you want in life. But with the right training and the right education, you can turn your brain into your most powerful weapon to be, do, and have everything you want in life. So join us for Sphere Education and become a brain owner.